Hello, my name is Alexandra. I came from Romania. My experience here today was the best because I'm living from here with a big hope of and more closer to my dream to open my own recruitment agency. It offers you flexible time, which means you became straight away your own boss, which really likes the idea. Recruiting people is something that I really will love to do every day. I'm hoping that my agency will be placed also overseas. Why should I not start my own agency recruitment? Because I know so many people in need to find a job that they dream to come to London, but they are not. They can't because they don't know. They don't have any connections. I really recommend this workshop because it will give you a hint about what this industry is about, what it takes to get to realize your dream. In terms of, you need to follow some modules, obviously, so you have a clue, and also following these modules you will gain support from this wonderful team.